Hi guys, have you ever had a perfect photo ruined because it was blurry or the image quality was too low? Don't worry, now you can restore your photos to stunning 4K quality in just a few seconds. You can even bring old faded pictures back to life with a single click. And the second method is free. Let's get started. Method 1. Using Edimakor. Edimakor offers several powerful photo restoration features. For example, the face repair feature can recover facial details and make portraits look sharper. The denoise feature reduces unwanted noise and improves overall image quality. There's also a black and white photo feature that can colorize old monochrome pictures automatically. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Next, choose the restoration mode you want to use, upload your photo, select 4K resolution, and then click Generate. In just a few seconds, your photo will be restored with significantly improved quality. It's really that simple. Method 2. Using AIEnhancer. AIEnhancer gives new users 30 free credits to upscale their images. Go to Image Tools and select Image Upscaler. Then upload your photo and choose the balanced mode. You can also drag the comparison slider left and right to see the before and after results instantly. Here are the final restoration results from both Edimakor and AIEnhancer. Which one do you prefer? And that's it for today's video. Now it's your turn to try Edimakor and AIEnhancer. With just one click, you can transform your blurry, low quality, or old photos into stunning, high-resolution images that look brand new.